If you want to know how to take your hair from this to this in just a few easy steps, stick around. So firstly, since my hair is super dry, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and just spray my hair with some water just to prepare my hair for detangling. This step doesn't really take that long, probably just 2 to 3 minutes. Anyways, this is what my hair looks like after spraying the water. Alright, so now you're going to go in with your leave-in conditioner of choice. Today I chose to go with Quench. And just apply it all throughout your hair. So for me, the top of my head, like the crown area, doesn't really get moisturized or defined as well as the rest. So I really like to focus in that specific area and just try to get the product, whichever product that I'm using, and just try to get it in that specific area. This is what my hair looks like after applying the leave-in, and then I added some more water. Alright, so this step is very important. I'm going to be going in with my shower cap. So for those who don't know, a shower cap helps to hydrate your hair and also helps to open up your cuticles if you have low porosity hair so that your hair can be moisturized in a deeper way. Alright, so I had the shower cap on for about 30 minutes and then now it's time to wash it out. This is what my hair looks like. My hair was so soft, guys. I'm telling you, every time I use a shower cap or even better a steamer, my hair is so moisturized and feels so soft. Alright, so now it's time for styling. I'm going to go in with my Big Papa gel. This is probably my 10th bottle by now. I'm not too sure. I just been buying them out. Like, because it's such a good gel, like you really can't go wrong with it. That's why I keep buying it. So to style my hair, for the majority of the time I was doing raking. And then I just did some finger coils at the end to kind of just define some parts of my hair. And then I thought it'd be pretty cool to show you guys some clips of me trying to do the back of my hair, because I know it's pretty common for it to be hard for some people to do. But yeah, just continue raking until you get to the look that you're looking for. So I didn't end up finding the clips of me finger coiling, but I did do them, so just for you guys to know. But yeah, this is the end results. I'm very happy with how they came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Oh, also, to add, let me know in the comments if you guys like the new setup, like the background, because this is my first time not being in the washroom when doing my hair, so just let me know if you guys like it. But yeah, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, once again, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next vid.